Okay, so this is advanced skills, and we're going based off of the VB-MAPP LRFFC 7M is the skill that I'm teaching. I'm also going to mix in trials that you've seen previously that she knows, and how I would kind of approach this. Since the skill is that she'll be able to determine if they can identify without me prompting her. So using fill-ins such as you sleep in A, you write A, just seeing if she does know. Good job. Just seeing if she understands and can discriminate what it is that I'm looking for. So we're going to go into that, and then I know in your notes for the assignment you also said to show like, okay, 24 hours has passed to compress the time. So we're getting the video in. All right, so let me see that. All right. All right, so do this. Good job. Do this. Good job. Twinkle, twinkle.
Little star.
Good job. What's your name?
Madison.
Nice job. All right. You swim in A.
Pool.
Pool. Nice job. You talk on A.
Phone.
Oh, nice job. You eat with A. Nice job. All right. You clean teeth with A. Very nice. All right, now this one you're going to get wrong. All right. You write with A. Pencil. Good job. You write with a pencil. Nice job. What's this?
Pencil.
Very good. And what do you do with a pencil?
Write.
You write with a pencil.
You write with a pencil.
Good job. What do you do with a pencil?
You write with it.
Very nice job. You throw a. Very nice job. And you write with a. Very good. Way to go back to it. All right, so we're going to compress time. So she's doing really well. And say this is something that she's picking up on pretty good. Obviously, I would start with a smaller array as well. I wouldn't do immediately an 8. I'd probably do probably go to a 4, especially since she's an advanced learner and she is learning pretty quickly. All right, so one of the targets here we'll do that's kind of harder for her is going to be, let me do, I did a car and the pencil because you write in A and you write with A. You really have to listen to that distinction, and I've seen where kids do get really confused with that one. So I'm going to put them in the same, and we're just going to say that she has a hard time with those. So I'll go into how I would teach that one. Okay, so you're going to miss this one, okay? All right, good job. All right, you ride in A, ride. Good job. You ride in A, car. Good job. So ideally what she would do is, normally what I've seen is they'll hit the pencil versus her hitting what's closest to her. And that's another thing I'll watch for is if she's favoring one side. So if she's always tapping cards to the right or if she's always tapping cards to the left. That's one thing that we're taught to look for. So say we're gonna go into this trial again and she gets confused between ride and right, and she's gonna hit the opposite, okay? So you're gonna hit the opposite one that I tell you. Okay, good job. All right, you ride in A. Now remember, you're gonna hit that card. Yeah, you ride in A. Good job. You ride in A. Good job. You ride in a car. What's this?
A car.
Good job. What do you do with a car?
You drive in it.
You ride in it.
Yeah, you ride it.
Good job. What do you do with a car?
You ride it.
Good job. You ride in a
car.
Good job. You gotta touch it. Good job. You ride in a
Car.
car. Nice job.
Because you can't write in a pencil.
Yep, that's right. All right. You write with a pencil. Nice job. Very good. You eat with a. Very good. And you ride in a. Very good. That's it. Very nice job. That's a cart. And we ride in it. Very good. Hey, what's this?
A phone.
A phone. Very good. Do this. Nice job. Do this. Good job. All right. You TT in a. Good job. Very good. Nice job. So anyways, like I said, I would start with a smaller array first. Reinforce, obviously, for her doing really well. And again, I know you probably, Dr. Gromit, wouldn't like to put these two probably in there at first, just because those are pretty hard to distinguish between. You really have to listen to what the instructor is saying. And typically we don't do this at the center that I work at, but I do like to see, like, does the child really listen, and are they really distinguishing by what you're saying? So again, we're going to compress time. It's been 24 hours. And this will be our last one. Okay, so we're gonna set these out. Well, first let me go into another one. All right, what's your name?
Madison.
Very good, do this. All right, try again. Very good, do this. Good, do this. Very good, all right. Good listening.
Something good.
Yeah, you did good, all right. You bounce a ball, very good. You swim in a, very good. You write with a, very good. Nice job, nice job. There you go.